In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account in Bluehost. If you're running a website and need to manage files easily, setting up an FTP account is an incredibly useful skill to have. You'll be able to transfer, upload, and download files seamlessly, making site management a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your hosting with Bluehost. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the sidebar on the left. Navigate over to the Websites tab. Clicking here will bring you a list of all the websites associated with your account. Find the site you want to manage. This should be quite straightforward, as it will be listed with any other websites you may have. Once you've located it, click on the Settings. This is where you'll find all the tools and configurations specific to your website. Next, you want to head over to the Files and Access tab. This is a dedicated section of your website's settings that handles everything you need regarding file management and access controls. Under this tab, you'll see an option labeled FTP Access. Click on the Manage button next to it. This action will take you to the FTP Management panel, which is designed to facilitate your FTP setup and customization. Within this panel, you will have various options. You want to click on Create FTP Account, or if you're guided to an Add FTP Account form, continue there. This area is where you'll provide the necessary details to set up your FTP account. Start by entering a username of your choice. Remember, Bluehost will automatically append your domain to this username, so keep it simple and something you can easily remember. Next, you need to set a strong password. It's recommended to aim for a high-strength password, typically more than 20 characters with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The stronger the password, the more secure your FTP account will be from unauthorized access. After that, choose the directory for the account. By default, it's set to your domain's root directory, which might look something like public username. You can, however, leave this field blank or enter a single slash if you want to grant full access to the entire site. It's best to carefully consider what access level you want to allow, based on how you or others will interact with the files. Finally, decide on the storage limit or quota for your new FTP account. If you're not sure, or if space isn't a concern, you can leave this setting as unlimited. Otherwise, specify a limit that meets your needs. Now, click Create FTP Account to finalize your setup. And that's it. You've successfully created an FTP account in Bluehost, opening up a convenient new way to manage your site's files. Whether you're uploading large files or updating content, having FTP access can significantly streamline your website management tasks. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your site.